Imagine creating 600 YouTube shorts, not in months, but in a matter of days. Sounds impossible, right? Not with the power of AI. Welcome to the innovative realm of artificial intelligence. AI is not just a buzzword anymore. It's a game changer, especially for content creators. Picture this: AI tools that help you create YouTube shorts with speed and efficiency that were once unimaginable. Instead of spending countless hours brainstorming, scripting, filming, and editing, AI can streamline the process. It can generate ideas, create scripts, and even suggest editing techniques, all at lightning speed. It's like having a superpowered assistant working around the clock. With AI, you're not just creating content, you're creating content in bulk. That's right, 600 YouTube shorts, ready to engage your audience and keep them coming back for more. So, ready to dive into the world of AI-assisted content creation? Buckle up and get ready for a revolutionary journey. The first step in this journey is selecting your AI tools. Remember, the right tools are the key to unlock your creative potential. In today's digital landscape, numerous AI tools can revolutionize your video creation process. Let's delve into a few. Firstly, we have AI video editors. These tools are designed to streamline the editing process, automatically cutting and trimming your clips to create the perfect short. Then there are AI scriptwriters. Just feed them a topic and they'll generate a script in a matter of seconds. Say goodbye to writer's block. Don't forget about AI voice generators. They provide a variety of voices, accents, and languages, offering you a world of vocal versatility without hiring a voice actor. And finally, AI thumbnail creators. With them, you can generate eye-catching thumbnails in a snap, enhancing your video's clickability. With the right AI tool in your arsenal, you're all set to conquer the YouTube Shorts universe. Now that you've got your AI tool, it's time to kickstart the creation process. And guess what? It's as easy as pie. First things first, you need to feed your AI tool with a script. It could be a fun fact, a quick tip, or a brief story. Remember, the crisper, the better. Next, select a theme that aligns with your content. The AI tool offers a plethora of themes to choose from, so you can easily find one that suits your style. Now let's add some music to set the mood. Whether it's upbeat, soothing, or intense, the AI tool has a vast library of audio tracks that you can use. Finally, with just a click, the AI tool will generate the video. It's like magic, isn't it? But here's the best part. You can replicate this process as many times as you want. Imagine creating not one, not two, but 600 YouTube shorts. And voila! You've just created a YouTube short, and you're ready to replicate this process 600 times over. From a daunting task to a walk in the park, AI tools have revolutionized content creation, making it faster and easier than ever. Today, we've taken a deep dive into the world of AI-assisted YouTube Shorts production, exploring the power of AI, choosing your tools, and demystifying the creation process. The beauty of these tools is their capacity to turn a mountain of work into a molehill, allowing you to create 600 shorts in a fraction of the time it would otherwise take. They are the secret weapon for content creators looking to stay ahead of the curve and keep their audience engaged. But remember, like any tool, the power of AI is only as good as the hand that wields it. So take the time to understand your chosen tool, experiment, and let your creativity flow. So why wait? Start your AI-assisted content creation journey today. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting insights and tips. Remember, the future of content creation is here and it's powered by AI.